Hey there, YouTube! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of productivity. I know it can be challenging to stay focused and get things done, so I'm here to share some tips and tricks to help you become a productivity superstar. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Set clear goals. Before diving into any task, it's important to know what you want to achieve. Take a few minutes to write down your goals for the day or week. Having a clear direction will help you stay motivated and organized. Now that we have our goals, it's time for tip number 2. Create a schedule. Establishing a routine and sticking to it can work wonders for your productivity. Use a planner or a digital calendar to schedule your tasks and activities. Don't forget to include breaks and leisure time to avoid burnout. Tip number 3. Break it down. Big tasks can feel overwhelming, but breaking them into smaller, manageable steps can make them much easier to tackle. Focus on one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll have accomplished the entire task. Moving on to tip number 4. Minimize distractions. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere. Find a quiet and clutter-free workspace. Put your phone on silent, and close any unnecessary tabs on your computer. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. Tip number 5 is all about prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal. Determine which tasks are most important and tackle them first. This way, you'll make significant progress on your most crucial responsibilities, giving you a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Now for our final tip. Take care of yourself. Productivity goes hand in hand with self-care. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat well, and exercise regularly. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being will help you maintain focus and stay energized. And that's a wrap, my productive pals. Remember, productivity is not about working 24/7, but about optimizing your time and energy to achieve your goals. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other productivity hacks you'd like to share. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date with all our future videos. Until next time, stay productive and keep chasing your dreams. As always, keep hustling.